to the strike of the ore body, that is called as drive. Okay, that is called as drive. And when you develop an opening across the strike of the ore body, that is called as cross cut. Okay, so while entering you might have seen there was written some 350 cross cut or something, it was written in the wall. So that is cross cut because it is across the strike. Okay, now you see, once you enter, you have a ore body. Okay, this ore body we will drill. Starting from here, we will drill here. Okay, we will drill it, then we will blast it. So this whole material will fall down. Okay, we will drill and blast. Then whole material will fall down. Then it will be taken out. Eventually, it will become a void. This process is known as stopping. This extraction of material from solid roof or solid block of rock is known as stopping. Okay, ultimately it will become a void. You see, that portion has been stopped out. Okay, the ore has been taken out from that area. Okay, so it is completely void. From this RL to 0 RL. Okay, this is plus 30. Plus 30 means 30 meter above sea level. To 0. 30 meters rock material have been taken out and it is completely void now. So this is stopping. Stopping is nothing but creating a void by extraction of material. Okay, this process is known as stopping. Here we have sub-level open stopping method. Okay, sub-level means there will be one main level, another main level, in between there will be a sub-level. From sub-level we can drill both upwards and downwards. Upward drilling and downward drilling. Okay, so at a time one set of holes from up and one set of holes from down will be blasted. Then from top also material is removed, bottom also material is removed. That is the process here. Okay, sub-level open stopping. We have sub-level and open. It is kept open. We are not filling it. It will remain like that. It will remain like that. Okay, nothing will be filled. So method of stopping is sub-level open stopping. Okay. The roof is called, one is crown pillar. For stability we have to leave some portion of rock. Okay, we cannot make it completely void, otherwise it will collapse. Have you seen the construction of buildings? There will be pillars and roof. Again pillars and roof. In between it will be void. Same is the pattern. That one which is your roof is your crown pillar and bottom is your sill pillar. When you go level below, okay, for now suppose above this is crown pillar and this one is your sill pillar. Now when you will be going to 0 RL, this is plus 30 RL, when you will be standing in 0 RL, this plus 30 your will be crown pillar, okay, and 0 will be your sill pillar. So this will get interchanged depending on where you are present, crown pillar and sill pillar. That which one is in your head, above your head is your crown pillar and below is your sill pillar. Okay. Now you see, observe some chromites here. You see, this is one of the major shear zone. Okay, very weak zone. This runs from here to there. You see chromite here. This is chromite. You see, this is a massive chromite boulder. Okay. This one is one boulder. This was crystallized somewhere else and brought here. Okay. So
30 meters.
This is your massive chromite boulder. Again you will see gabbro. Again chromite. See inside gabbro you have chromite. Now here you see this is layering of chromite. Okay, this is layered chromite. You can see the layering. And you see this is a shear zone. And it is marked by crushed rock and you can see asbestos type material. Okay, it is highly weathered. This has been completely converted to asbestos. You see, weathered material, you can crush it by hand. Again, you see, this is the layering I was talking about. You can observe from here. See, this is a very weak zone, so the roof was collapsing. So we have supported it. Okay, and this supporting mechanism chalk set. Okay, wooden support. We have
Safari support.
safari support, wooden support. We have provided wooden support so that further no collapse will be there. But you observe this portion. You see? Can you observe the layering? This is in particular this place only. Originally, the chromite deposits have been formed like this. One layer of chromite, then serpentinite fluid. Again chromite, serpentinite fluid. Chromite, serpentinite fluid. But this huge boulder, this size boulder has been carried to this place. Okay. This type of crystallization or this layering you will not see anywhere else. Okay. So it was crystallized somewhere else and brought here. Okay. So anything more to ask? Because we cannot go, nothing more to